Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts, and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody, let's keep up with our analysis on euro currency. So from technical point of view, you can see as we don't have a lot of sufficient and significant changes on euro currency, but in general, as we discussed in today's weekly report, we see that the fundamental background become worse on the euro currency, and that makes us think that in the beginning of the week we should be ready for reaching nearest support around 109.30. I will show a bit later in the hourly chart. And with the starting action to our long-term targets around 104, 105 area. There's a few reasons exist for that. So as you know, it's after the Joe Biden visit to the Brussels in the United States, in the European Union, it seems that Europe is moving in a direction of denying buying of the Russian gas. So it means that it will be an important solution for euro currency, and that's definitely could make impact on the economy of the European Union very fast, because recent statements that I read today on Reuters suggest that United States will try to replace some part of the gas by the LPG, and since European Union and in general we are coming to the summer, currently demand should be a bit lower, and somehow they try to overcome these problems, but in general, it can't be resolved totally, this problem, and it definitely will make impact on the economy of the European Union. If even we suggest that it totally could be replaced by the liquid gas, the price of the liquid gas is at least 2 times higher than the natural gas pipeline from the pipeline. So anyway, that should get some negative consequences from for the European economy. Other processes that we have discussed in the previous reports and that we forecasted recently now stands on the way. I mean, the capitals moving out from the Europe, investors massively turning to the safe haven assets and in the cash positions. So this is recent Bank of America report tells about that. Another not really good event has happened, just market has closed on Friday, so if you heard probably that Saudi Arabia Aramco reserves tankers have been missiled, and this also probably should support the crude oil price on a high level, at least in the near term. So all this stuff makes us think that the downward continuation is more the question of time as when it will happen. From the technical point of view, we also see signs of weakness on euro currency. So first of all, we do know that market hits strong support right in the beginning of the week. So if you remember, this is actually the first support that we discussed in last week report. But since market has reached it, it was not able to show any meaningful upward action and start forming some kind of the pin and consolidation. This is clearly, guys, the bearish sign, and it tells that as soon as Monday opening, Monday, Tuesday, probably we should get the downward continuation. From that standpoint of view, we do not need to talk a lot about this, since we mostly discussed everything last week as well, and patterns mostly stands the same. From that standpoint, we just keep watching for a butterfly that should be formed, and to complete this ABCD OP target, it's around the same 109.40, 109.35 area. So if you're a scalp trader, you could find maybe some bullish setup here for trading on the minor response here. But from the tactical point of view, that might be some background on the 5-minute chart, on the 50-minute chart for taking a long position. But we expect that will be only tactical response on this support, and sooner rather than later, market will turn down again. So that's what we have currently on euro currency. If you would like to know more about fundamental background, it's lots of interesting stuff currently. You should just read our report today. So we mostly were focused on the fundamental economical stuff and just taking a look at geopolitics a bit, just a few moments, mostly reports dedicated to financial background.